So I just noticed that when I bought my last pack, I unlocked a challenge here. So it's a starter challenge, collect 3 dunks. So I get a bonus pack, so I'm gonna open that now. And fingers crossed we get some legendaries. All right. Claim my pack. Yes, please. Let's go. Geez, that's slow. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. Yeah. All right, so it's got 2 in here. That's pretty good. All right, let's have a look. First one. Common. A Kiki. It's a block. On Sadiq Bay. It's a nice recovery. All right. Let's have a look at the second one. Here we go. Lakers, common, THT. Ooh. That's a nice one. Would have been good if you could do that a little bit more this year. Nothing really to the serial numbers. So a couple of comments. Nothing special. Added to the collection though, it's a bonus. I like these challenges, get the collection up a bit quicker. I'll jump over now and have a look at my collection now that I opened that extra pack. Not a great collection so far, but we're getting there. All commons. I think my favorite is probably the Brandon Clark dunk, just as far as highlights go. I did notice the latest THT had a lower serial number. This is my favorite highlight. Back to the collection. Yeah, the THT, fairly low serial number. Nothing special. All Series 3. We're getting there. I just went all out and splurged on another starter pack. $9 later, let's open him up. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look. First one, common, Sacramento, Mo Harkless. I don't know if I knew he was even playing in 2022. Oh, that's nice though. Whoop. Okay. Number 2. Monty Morris, another Denver. Oh, Jokic. Jokic just nailed that guy. That's a nice shot. Or is it De'Aaron Fox? Jokic knocked over De'Aaron Fox. Nice. Alright. Both LE means they're all out. The last one, Marcus Morris. Jump shot. Oh, is this the game winner? They hung in there, the Lakers. This is when didn't know how bad it was gonna get. It's not a bad one, I guess. I didn't like that when I saw it live though, that's for sure. Alright, that's my pack. I'll go back and view my progress. Okay, now I'll introduce you to trade tickets and explain how they work, and then I'll trade in some of these moments to show you how it works and what it looks like.
Trade tickets essentially just allow you to trade in some of your moments for new moments. The traded in moments will be sent to a Top Shot account called the Locker Room, where all traded in moments will live publicly, in addition to exclusive unreleased moments and packs to be added later. Trade tickets will eventually be exchanged for either Locker Room moments, which other collectors traded in, or Series 1 reserve packs. So essentially, if you have some cards you don't want to keep, maybe you have some doubles or want to roll the dice for something else, you can trade them in, and your discarded moments are placed in a big bowl essentially with everyone else's traded in moments. Again, that's called the Locker Room. Once you trade in 4 moments, you can buy a locker pack, which will give you 3 new moments selected from the Locker Room. One of the downsides to this is what I just mentioned. It'll cost 4 tickets or 4 moments traded in for a locker pack, which will contain just 3 base set moments. So the cost of doing business and rolling the dice for more valuable moments is 1 lost moment. This might be a risk you're not willing to take unless you're swapping doubles. Also remember that all moments traded in, regardless of rarity, are all worth exactly 1 trade ticket, so choose carefully. I don't have any I want to trade in necessarily, but my collection is nothing special, so I'll trade some in now to show you what the process looks like and just hope I get a good return. So you might have noticed I was already doing some of the trade-ins while I was talking. I traded in my Okiki, and so you can see there the trade has been done, so I'll move to the next one. Basically what you want to do is go to your collection, then you'll find the moment that you want to trade in. So I'm going to go Netto in this case. I don't love this highlight. So you'll go to trade in, basically confirming it here. 1 moment equals 1 ticket. Then you're going to confirm it on the blockchain itself. And this will be the same page as you just saw. So trade is pending, and then it'll be complete in a couple of seconds. So I think I've done that twice now. You'll see once I come back here in the top right hand corner there, I've got 2 tickets. So I need to find 2 more in order to buy the pack I want to buy. So maybe Evan Fournier. I think this was a game winner. Again, I don't have any I necessarily want to get rid of, but I just want to talk through how to do it. So I'll get rid of these 4. This one's number 3, so I'll just confirm that one. Hurry up. Okay, that's 3, and I should have 3 tickets here now in the top right hand corner. Flicked. Oh no, I already had one. Okay, good, let's go. So now I'll go to packs, and you'll see down the bottom there's a Locker Room pack. So that's the one I'm after. It's 4 trade tickets in order to buy it. That's explaining what it is. So I join the drop. Take a second to recognize, or take a second to see if I am able to get one right now. I'm in line. Okay, good. My pack is ready, so I'll buy it now. And from here, it's just like any other pack. Like I said, it's going to give me 3 moments. Sucks that I had to give up 4 in order to get 3, but cost of doing business. Alright, we're ready to go. So I'll open the pack now. Alright, let's get it. See, I need a 3. Unfortunately. Okay. Let's open up the first one. What do we got? Danilo Gallinari. Oh, half court. Boom. Gallinari. Underrated player. Always injured. Alright, what's the second one? Dunk. Oh, Aaron Gordon dunk. Whoa. That's nice. I like that one. They lost to the Blazers. 2021. Wonder if they still had Dame. Alright, that's a nice one. Alright, let's have a look at the third. Another dunk. Rudy Gay. Oh, for Utah. Okay. Old man getting up. Nice. He wasn't quite as good for them as I thought he was going to be. Utah lucky at the moment, got Dallas without Luka. Alright. That's my pack. I'll view my progress. I've kind of gone backwards in progress now. Since I traded in 4 to get 3, and they're all common, nothing too special in the pack I opened. But basically, yeah, that's what the trade ticket is. Bought a locker pack, other people's traded in moments. You could get lucky if you've come across a big time collector that's trading in some good moments. For the most part, it's just going to be trading commons for commons. But yeah, there we go.